Hello there guys, welcome back to Guide with Samuel. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use the Claude AI to generate blog outlines quickly and easily. First, open Claude AI and start a new chat. In the text box, type a prompt describing your blog topic. For example, create a blog outline about sustainable living, or give me a structured outline for a tech tutorial blog. Next, press enter and Claude will generate a detailed outline including headings, subheadings, and suggested points. This gives you a clear roadmap for writing your full blog post. You can refine the outline by asking Claude to add more sections or adjust the tone or focus on a specific aspect of the topic. For example, make this outline suitable for beginners or add SEO-friendly subheadings. Finally, copy the outline into your preferred writing tool and start expanding each section into a full article. This saves time and ensures your content stays organized and professional. And that's that, guys. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.